In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use the Power Director to finish your task 1. So this is the Power Director. So when you double click it, you will have this screen, and then please click the timeline mode. And as you can see that here, you have 3 screens here. The left hand side would be the media room, and the right hand side would be the preview window. And at the bottom here would be the timeline. First of all, you have to drag everything you need. The file that you need, you have to drag it into the media room. So I drag these 4 files, and then I put it into the media room, and then I let go. So you can see that the 4 files are now inside the media room. So afterwards, I can start to do my task. So if you remember in the video, first of all, I have the Greenboard, so I can drag it. Or if you do not want to drag it, you can just press this button. You click the file that you want to put into the timeline, and then you can click this one, insert on selected track. You can also input here. So either you can drag it or you can press the button. And then the next one will be the teaching example. So again, you can drag it, let go. So you can slide it. And shift this one, so I can input another Greenboard here. So this is the main task. First of all, you have the Greenboard, and then you have the teaching examples, and then you have the Greenboard. And then you also can hear some background music. So I can, once again, I can click this background music, and then I can add to the music track. But before you click this one, make sure the starting point is correct. So I can pull this one back to the starting time. So I can click the background music, and then I can add to the music track. So after I click it, and then I go to the music track, you can see the files is here. Or you can drag it yourself. It's up to you. And then at the end, after the end of the video, you can see, you can hear the sound effect, bye-bye. So I can slide this one up to here, and then I can add another music. Would be bye-bye. Or you can drag it again. So it is up to you. So after the design, then the next step is that you have to add different effects on it. So first of all, the first effect that I need is at the very beginning in the Greenboard. I want to show my name or show some welcome title. So I can click this one, would be the title room. So you can select any animation that you like. So for example, I select this one, or maybe I select this one. So I can drag it here. So once again, I can drag it myself, or if I do not want to drag it, I just press this one. Add to title track is also okay. So I can also press this button. So I want to make sure that the timeline is the same as the Greenboard. So I can click the Greenboard here. So as you can see that the title is longer than I thought. So either you can extend the Greenboard, or you can cut the text. So that they can start and end at the same time. So for example, if I want to extend my Greenboard, if I extend it, I can drag it myself, and then I let go. And then the you will have 3 options. The first one is overwrite. That means you overwrite the next video, but we are not doing that. I just want everything to move backward. So I will click the last one. So as you can see that it will move backward. Everything will move backward. And then at the end, okay, I also want to show some words. So again, I can select another one. For example, if I select this one, okay, so I can once again drag it here and then let go. Okay, so afterwards, so after I drag it, okay, so the next step is I can double click this one and then I can type the things that I need. So for example, is let's have math lesson by Miss Daisy Chow. Okay, so I can select, okay, all the words, okay, by clicking Ctrl A. And then here would be, I can select it, maybe I think the font size is 24. Okay, so I can move it to the middle and then I can change it to the align the center, and then I can change the color as well. Okay, so I finished the first step. Okay, afterwards, then I can click OK. Again, I have to align the animation, so I will extend the Greenboard, then I let go. Okay, and then to make sure that everything aligns, so the background music also need to align as well. So I have to shorten this one. So again, we have to do the same thing. So I have to drag it here, and then I let go. Okay, so here would be this one. So the bye-bye can be closer. The next step is that here you have the teaching example. The teaching example sound is quite soft compared with the background music. So I have to lower down the background music. Okay, so what should I do? So next I have to go to here, will be the audio mixing room. Okay, so when I click the teaching example, I can see that here you have the audio 1. So I can click it, become louder and louder. So when I move it, as you can see that the amplitude increase. Okay, so I can increase it. Okay, up to the maximum. And how about the music? Okay, when I click the music, as you can see that here, music. Okay, I can lower down the volume. Okay, and then I have to add, okay, I have to add more. Okay, I want to add more effects. So I can go to here, this one would be the effect room. And then I can select any effects that I like. For example, I like this one. Okay, so I can drag it into the video. Okay, drag it to the video and then I let go. And then you can see that when I play it, okay, there is some candies, okay, falling. Okay, so this is the animation throughout the whole teaching video because I insert this effect in this video. Okay, so that's why the whole video will have this effect. Okay, and then apart from the effects, okay, I can also go to the transition room here. So I can click it and then I can select anything that I like. Okay, so for example, if I like this one, I can drag it, okay, between the Greenboard and also the teaching video. Okay, and then I drag, maybe I drag this one this time, between the Greenboard and also the teaching video, and then I let go. So let's see how it goes. When I play this video, as you can see that here, you have the transition and then you have the effects. Okay, and then after the teaching example, you can see that another transition. as you can see that here, the timeline shift a little bit, okay, when I insert some transition effect. So you can drag the title match with the Greenboard, okay, or you can extend the line, okay, or I can extend this one, okay. Either you can cut the title become shorter, or you can increase the duration of the Greenboard. Okay, last but not least, we have to add the subtitle. So we can go to the subtitle room. Okay, and then I have to open the script, okay, of the video. So how to add the subtitle? Okay, the method would be I have to hear the whole video, and then I have to record, okay, every sentence, okay, the time of every sentence. Okay, so let's do it together.
Solve each of the following equations. A. 5x minus 8x equals -15. On the left-hand side of the equation, the two terms are like terms.
So after finish, then you can click Ctrl C to copy, double click Ctrl V to place, Ctrl C copy, Ctrl V place, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, 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 Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So I have to click Ctrl C and Ctrl V in every sentence. Okay. For example, you can change it becomes smaller. For example, maybe I select this two. Okay, maybe the words are too long. Okay, so the sentence are too long. So you can click the text. You can change it to even smaller. You can click 8 or 10. Okay, or 8. Okay, it's up to you. And then you can click the. You can change the color of the text as well. Okay, you can change the fonts. Okay, as you like. So afterwards, then you can click OK. Okay, so you can select more than one. For example, if I want to select something from 6 to 9, okay, for example, these 4 videos, I can press the button Shift. Okay, I can press the button Shift, and then I click 6, and then I click 9. Then it will help me to highlight from 6 to 9. Or if I want to click 10, 8, 6, okay, then I have to click Control. I can press the Control button. So 6, 8, okay, 10, and then for example 3. Okay, so you can see that I highlight 3, 7, 3, 6, 8, and 10, and I can make some setting. Okay. So after you add the subtitle, as you can see that now, okay, the video is almost done. So you can go through it yourself. So at the very beginning, you can see a Greenboard and showing your name. You have the title and then the background music as well. And then you have the transition effects, okay? And then you have the effect of the video. And then as you can see that, okay, there is some subtitle, okay, throughout the teaching example. And then at the end, you can see that another transition effects, okay, and then you can see the Greenboard, and then you can see another title. And then after the music end, okay, after the video end, okay, you can hear the sound effects, bye bye, okay, then this one would be your task 1. So how to export, okay, or how to produce it as a MP4. So you can click here, you have the produce, you click it, you can change it to different format. So AVI, okay, is a very good format. Usually we may use the AVI if we want to have a good quality, okay, or we can just use MP4 here, okay. So you can click either this one or this one, okay, both are the MP4, okay, but I think this one should be fine, okay. We don't need to have such a high quality. Okay, and then here you have the export folders. So you can choose it, maybe desktop. I can select the desktop, save. Okay, and then I can click start. And then after it completes, okay, then you can upload the file to the Google Classroom. Okay, so you can click the open file location, and then it will help you to get back to the file that you need. So it's here. Then you can just upload this file. Before I end this video, I would like to remind you, if you do not have enough time to finish your work, okay, you want to continue in the next lesson, you can click File and then Save As. Save the project as, and then you choose the desktop again. So you can save as task 1. You click OK. Then you can save the work that you did here. So next time, then you can continue to do your work. So that's the end of this video. Thank you.